Iran has unveiled its latest military advancements, with the upgraded Shahed-136B kamikaze drone being a key highlight. As an improved version of the Shahed-136, the Shahed-136B is designed to meet the demands of modern warfare, boasting several enhancements over its predecessor. These upgrades include a larger warhead, extending its range from 2,500 to 4,000 kilometers, and the addition of a turbojet engine, which increases its speed and endurance. Furthermore, its stealth capabilities have been enhanced, making it harder to detect by enemy radar systems. One of the most notable design changes is its more conventional aircraft-like structure. This shift improves the drone's aerodynamics and significantly reduces the signature of its propeller engines, making it a more efficient and lethal tool on the battlefield. The Shahed-136B is expected to increase Iran's strike capabilities, providing a more versatile and effective weapon for use in asymmetric warfare. In addition to the Shahed-136B, Iran also introduced the Shahed-238, a jet-powered version of the Shahed-136. The Shahed-238 further advances Iran's drone program by combining jet propulsion with the already formidable capabilities of the Shahed series, increasing its operational range and adaptability to different combat scenarios. On the missile front, Iran showcased the Jihad ballistic missile, a significant upgrade to the Qaem missile series. The Jihad missile has a range of approximately 1,000 kilometers and is launched using a dual rocket platform, which differs from Iran's earlier liquid-fueled missiles. This innovation highlights Iran's focus on increasing the range and flexibility of its missile systems. The Jihad missile is designed for precision strikes, building upon the Qaem missile that was first introduced in 2010. The Qaem was Iran's first liquid-fueled missile without fins and had a range of 800 kilometers. These developments reflect Iran's continued investment in its missile and drone capabilities, emphasizing the strategic importance of enhancing both lethality and survivability in modern combat environments. With the unveiling of the Shahed-136B, Shahed-238, and the Jihad missile, Iran is signaling its commitment to advancing its military technologies, maintaining a strong defense posture in a rapidly evolving global security landscape.